There are many products available to choose from mini blenders, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BN401. You can't beat the Ninja NutriBlender Pro for making single-serve smoothies and protein shakes. With 1,100 watts of power, it outperformed many other blenders in smoothie making. This blender has fewer pieces to store, so it's great for smaller kitchens or even the office if your workmates don't mind a little noise. Since it only comes with 2 cups, we recommend purchasing more if you have several people making smoothies simultaneously. Ninja sells cups in 18-ounce, 24-ounce, and 32-ounce sizes. How it performed in our tests. This personal blender produced a delicious strawberry kale smoothie in my lab testing that was better than many full-sized blenders I've tested. It also crushes ice nicely, making it the perfect option to keep behind your home bar for creamy frozen drinks like margaritas and daiquiris. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender with Travel Lid delivers impressive, affordable, and user-friendly performance, featuring clear measurement markings. It's designed for convenience with no extra accessories to store. The blending jar lid also functions as a travel lid. The jar and lid are dishwasher safe, and the entire cup, with its built-in blades, can be removed from the power base for travel. Plus, the cup fits easily in most cup holders. How it performed in our tests. I was impressed by this small but powerful personal blender, especially at such an affordable price. It effortlessly blended a creamy strawberry kale smoothie and a smooth frozen margarita. The measurement markings are clear and easy to read, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. However, holding down the power button to blend or pulse ingredients was a bit tiring after a while. The next time you want a quick, nutritious breakfast, blend a smoothie in this single-serve blender. After blending, simply take the jar off the base and hit the road. It's made for on-the-go sipping and fits most car holders. Number 3. NutriBullet NB50500. Don't let its size fool you. NutriBullet's little blender packs a powerful punch thanks to its 1,200-watt motor, significantly stronger than the typical 500-watt motors found in most personal blenders. This Good Housekeeping Kitchen Gear Award winner offers an automated blending program as well as a manual pulse function. The set includes 3 blending cups and 2 to-go lids. Its smooth, sleek base lights up when ready for use and can be secured to a countertop with suction for added stability. The blending cups are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. How it performed in our tests. The NutriBullet Ultra excelled in performance and ease of use in lab tests. It produced a fluffy frozen margarita and a creamy smoothie with ease. Positioning the jar on the power base was straightforward, and the intuitive controls made operations simple. However, I don't recommend using it to grind tough ingredients like coffee beans, as they could scratch the blender jar. A 1,200-watt motor makes the Ultra our most powerful single-serve blender. It's also our quietest, with a specialized design that produces lower-frequency sound. A streamlined profile takes up minimal space on the kitchen counter and brings innovative design into your home. A glow interface illuminates 2 blending options as soon as your cup meets the power base. Choose the full circle for the automated smoothie cycle, or the pulse circle for hands-on control. Number 4. Ninja Blast Max. Available in 7 metallic colors, this blender blends functionality with style. The Ninja Blast Max offers cordless blending with its rechargeable battery, and its 22-ounce blending jar features a convenient flip-top lid for easy drinking and a comfortable carrying handle. The control panel includes 3 modes: blend, crush, and smoothie. The dishwasher safe jar can be easily twisted off the base for added portability. How it performed in our tests. Out of the 8 portable blenders I tested in the lab, This one stood out as the top performer. Although slightly heavier, its blending jar can be easily twisted off the sturdy base, allowing you to drink directly from it, unlike others that must remain attached. It excelled at crushing hard ice for a creamy margarita and grinding coffee beans effectively. However, it had some difficulty breaking down curly kale during our tests. Meet the Ninja Blast Max, the performance of a corded blender, now cord-free. Blend, twist, and go from virtually anywhere while powerfully blasting through ice and frozen fruit with Ninja blending power. Achieve pulsing and processing power through 3 new intelligent Auto IQ programs: Blend, Crush, and Smoothie. Plus, with one simple twist, you can remove the vessel for ultra portability, lighter carrying, and convenient sipping. Number 5. Beast Mighty 850 Plus. The Mighty 850 Plus is both stylish and powerful, featuring an 850-watt motor. Available in 7 colors, it includes 3 jar sizes and convenient accessories like a drinking lid with a handle and 2 storage lids for preserving ingredients. The jars have 26, 22, and 14-ounce capacities, with the smallest ideal for sauces and dressings. The jars, lids, and blades are top-rack dishwasher safe. How it performed in our tests. This model produced a thick and velvety frozen margarita, considered the best our team had ever tasted from a personal blender. It also performed well with a strawberry kale smoothie and evenly ground coffee beans. While we don't recommend blending coffee beans in your blender at home, we use it to assess how powerful the blender is, how evenly it can chop, and how well it can clean up. The blending jars cleaned up easily in the dishwasher. However, the lack of measurement markings, just a max fill line on the jars, can make preparations slightly more challenging. Also, remember that the on-off button is on the back of the blender. I've often forgotten to turn it off because the switch isn't as visible. But thankfully, an indicator light on the front will let you know if the blender is still on.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.